Hey science whizzes, welcome back to Polly Quiz. How smart are you? Test yourself with this general knowledge quiz and find out how good really you are. Before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. All right, let's get started. What's the very first letter of the alphabet? A, B, or C? Letter A. Great start. How many vowels are in the English alphabet? 4, 6, or 5? 5 vowels. Nice thinking. How many legs does an insect have? 4, 6, or 8? 6 legs. Good observation. Which organ pumps blood through the body? The heart, the brain, or the lungs? It's the heart. Excellent. What's 8 plus 5? 12, 13, or 14? 13. Impressive. What do we call frozen water? Steam, snow, or ice? That's right, ice. What sweet substance is made by bees? Sugar, syrup, or honey? Correct, honey. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5, 6, or 7? 5 sides. Good thinking. What does a thermometer measure? Pressure, temperature, or wind? That's correct. Temperature. How many hours are in 2 days? 24, 72, or 48? 48 hours. Well done. What is the opposite of hot, warm, cold, or boiling? It's cold. Awesome. Which month comes immediately after October? November, September, or December? That's right, November. What color do you get by mixing yellow and blue? Purple, orange, or green? You get green. Excellent. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? 0, 100, or 32? Correct. 0 degrees. What is 5 multiplied by 2? 12, 10, or 9? That equals 10. Nicely done. Which of these is a primary color? Green, red, or orange? Correct. Red. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Eagle, owl, or dove? That's right, the dove. How many pennies make a dollar? 50, 100, or 200? Correct. 100 pennies. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Roots, stem, or leaves? It's the leaves. Fantastic. What do cows produce? Milk, honey, or silk? It's milk. Good answer. How many days are in a leap year? 364, 365, or 366? "366 days. Excellent. What is the main ingredient in bread? Flour, sugar, or butter? Correct. Flour. What covers the body of a fish? Feathers, scales, or fur? Good thinking. The scales. Which of these is a root vegetable? Tomato, carrot, or apple? That's right, carrot. Which instrument has strings? The drum, the flute, or the guitar? Correct, the guitar. What's 15 minus 7? You get 8. Well done. Which animal is known as man's best friend? Cat, dog, or horse? It's the dog. Excellent. How many zeros are in 1,000? Well done. 3 zeros. What shape is a standard stop sign? Hexagon, octagon, or circle? Octagon. Good thinking. Which season is known for snow and freezing weather? Spring, summer, or winter? Correct. It's winter. What is the national bird of the United States? It's the bald eagle. Good answer. How many players are on a soccer team on the field? 9, 10, or 11? Correct. 11 players. What do pandas mainly eat? Bamboo, leaves, or fish? That's right, bamboo. Which of the following is a citrus fruit? Banana, lemon, or apple? Lemon. Good thinking. What type of bear lives in the freezing Arctic? Correct. Polar bear. How many continents are there? 5, 6, or 7? Well done. 7 continents. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Correct. William Shakespeare. What currency is used in the United Kingdom? euro, dollar, or pound? That's right, the pound. What do you use to measure an angle? Protractor, compass, or ruler? Excellent. A protractor. Which of these is a mammal? Shark, whale, or crocodile? It's the whale. In Jack and the Beanstalk, what did Jack trade for the beans? That's right, a cow. Which tool is used to cut paper? Hammer, pliers, or scissors? It's the scissors. What type of food is a Granny Smith? Apple, potato, or cheese? Good observation. It's an apple. What do bees live in? Nest, hive, or cave? Correct. A hive. How many sides does a hexagon have? 5, 6, or 8? That's right, 6 sides. What is 10 multiplied by 10? That equals 100. Which sport uses a shuttlecock? Tennis, badminton, or squash? It's badminton. Nice. What kind of animal was Abu in Aladdin? A parrot, a tiger, or a monkey? Correct. A monkey. Which metal is heavier? Aluminum, iron, or gold? Excellent. Gold. Which musical instrument has keys, pedals, and strings inside? Piano, organ, or harpsichord? That's correct. The piano. Thanks for watching. If you found this video very helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video drops. See you in the next video!